Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word love and I'm going to select this font. Then I'm going to go to media and I'm going to go to library and I'm going to find a color that's already here, like maybe this one. And I'm going to select the text and I'm going to have it the same color as that. Adjust the picture and then you're going to select the circle mask and I'm just going to place it on top of the O. You'll see why later. Select both, right click, create compound clip, then go to mask again and select the heart shape and select reverse. Then you're just going to create like this cutout on the O. You can only use like one per mask, like one shape per like text, so make sure you choose like wisely, or you can do it letter per letter. But personally I'm just going to do this. You can even like add in like another like shape on top of the like E maybe, or on top of the L, maybe like that, maybe like here or here. It's totally up to you, or even like on the O again. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!